Dara Hotel Group is a Cambodian leading hotel industry company, and it is the first group that we have built in 2002, and step by step now we have 6 properties in Cambodia. All the properties are located mainly in Phnom Penh, with Olympia City, Dara Airport Hotel, as well the 60s and the Elysee that are the service apartment. And also we have one property in Sihanoukville. Sihanoukville is the landmark of the hotel icon that called Independent Hotel. The next property that we will start soon is the Angkor Green Gardens location in the Siem Reap city. Our products are both. Both hotels have the intention about a leisure destination, and as well like the resort like Sihanoukville and Angkor Green Garden. Of course, Sihanoukville is the iconic hotel of the group, it's the flagship, but also the Olympia and Dara Airport, we are also very strong in the MICE market.